Hi everyone, my name is Dave.
My name is Jan.
And today we're going to be talking to you about how to ask for directions in Japanese as a beginner. But before we get into that, if you do enjoy this video, please give us a like down below. If you have any questions, then please leave a comment. We'll try and answer as many as we can. And if you really enjoy the video, please subscribe for future tips on how to learn Japanese for beginners. So you've just arrived in Japan and you're completely lost. You need to ask, where is something? Jan, how do you ask that?
So you wanna say, where is Osaka station or Tokyo station, wherever you wanna go? That in case you can say, wa doko desu ka? Doko means where. Des is like a polite way to ask. Ka is usually used for questions. So you would say, Osaka station wa doko desu ka? Could you try that?
Yep, so if I wanted to know where Osaka station is, you're telling me I should say Osaka station wa doko desu ka?
Yeah, that's perfect. And for your tip, we could understand the station we learn at school, but if you want to say in Japanese, you have to say eki. Eki means station. So you could say Osaka eki wa doko desu ka?
Okay, so if we wanted to say it completely in Japanese, we would say Osaka eke wa doko desu ka?
Yeah, that's right. But we could still understand the station just for your tip, yeah.
Okay, that's a good tip. So if you're worried about stations, you can just say station. So we've learned how to ask where something is. What other things should we listen for when we get the response back?
You have to know the directions. So in the response, we usually use straight or right or left. A straight is matsugu, and right is migi, left is hidari. So let's try with me. Straight is matsugu.
Masugu.
Yeah. And right is migi.
Migi.
Yes. And left is hidari.
Hidari.
Yeah. Perfect.
Thank you. Awesome. And then would you say there's any other words that we might have to listen out for when we're listening for the response?
They might advise you to catch a bus or whatever if it's too far or something. So you want to listen if it's far or close. So far it's toi, and close is chikai. Can you say that with me?
So if something is far away, it's toi.
Yes, toi. And the close is?
Can you say it again?
Chikai.
Chikai.
Yeah, that means maybe walking distance.
Okay, so chikai is close by, like walking distance. That's awesome.
Yeah.
Okay, thanks, Jen. And then I have one more thing that I want to touch on. So I'm a little bit worried that if, I'm asking the question, that's great, and I've really tried hard and I've said Osaka station wa doko desu ka, but then I'm scared that they're going to speak really fast back to me in Japanese. Is there something that I can say so that they won't speak so fast?
So if you didn't understand, you could ask, can you speak slowly? We could say in a long sentence, but you want to make it short so you can remember. So you could say, yukkuri onegai shimasu. Yukkuri means slowly, and onegai shimasu means please. So you can say, yukkuri onegai shimasu.
Okay, so if I want them to speak slowly, I would ask my question, and then I would say, yukkuri onegai shimasu.
Yeah, that's right.
Awesome. So, I guess today that's been pretty good. We've learned how to ask where something is. So you take whatever it is you want to ask and you say wa doko desu ka, and then that's asking where something is. We learn straight, right and left. We learn to listen for if something is far or if something is close, and we also learn how to say speak slowly in Japanese please so I can understand. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. We're going to make plenty more tips videos. We're only just getting started. Please leave a like if you did enjoy it, and we'll see you next time on the channel. Bye bye.
Bye bye.